Hi everyone, this is Brenda with the Valley High Family Resource Center. I hope you're doing well and welcome back to Minds and Rhymes. For today, we will be learning about the letter O and the number 15. Hola, buenos días y bienvenidos a Animas y Rimas. Para este video vamos a aprender sobre la letra O y el número 15. Alright, so we'll start off by writing the letter O, just one big circle. Okay. And then the number 15. Alright, so for today's craft, you will need either markers or crayons, glue, scissors, googly eyes, and 4 pieces of construction paper, and these can be any color you'd like. Alright, so for our owl today, since we are learning about the letter O, we're going to start off by drawing a big O on one of our pieces of construction paper, and then we're going to go ahead and cut that out. So this big O is going to be the body of our owl, and then I'll just make another circle here, which is going to be the head. Okay, and then on another piece of paper, I'm going to go ahead and draw out the beak as well as the little feet for our owl. Alright, and then I'll go ahead and draw out 2 ovals, and these are going to be the wings for our owl. Alright, and then the last piece we'll draw out here are 2 circles that are going to be our eyes for the owl. Alright, and now I'm just going to go ahead and cut all of our pieces out. Alright, so once you're all done with cutting, these are all the different pieces you should have. So we have the big O, which is going to be the body, this circle here, which will be the head, 2 ovals for the wings, 2 small circles for the eyes, 1 triangle for the beak, and then these little shapes here, which are going to be the feet. Okay, so now we can go ahead and get started with the gluing. So first I'll start off with the big O, and I'll glue this to the center of our construction paper. And then we'll move on to the head. And the wings. And the little feet. Okay, and now you just want to grab your 2 googly eyes and glue these onto the yellow circles. Alright, and then for the very last step, I'm just going to take my markers and I'm going to draw a branch for the owl to sit on, as well as just some little details around its body. Alright, and there we go. That is our little owl for the letter O. Alright, that's it. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed working on this craft. Be sure to take photos of your work and share them with our Facebook and our Instagram. See you next week. Bye!